Are you ready for the future of farming? Agriculture is being revolutionized by robotics, bringing efficiency and productivity to unprecedented levels. In this video, we delve into 10 astonishing robotic technologies that are transforming the agricultural landscape. From soil health monitoring to intelligent harvesting systems, discover how these innovations are changing farming forever. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest advancements in agricultural technology. So, you want to know how farmers can literally plant the seeds of tomorrow with just the push of a button? Let's start out with number 10, automated planting systems. Automated planting systems are revolutionizing how we sow seeds. Instead of hours spent manually planting, these advanced machines can perfectly space and plant seeds in a fraction of the time, ensuring optimum growth conditions. Imagine a machine zipping through a field, planting each seed at the precise depth and spacing required for maximum yield. Talk about efficiency. For example, the John Deere ExactEmerge planter uses high-speed technology to plant seeds at speeds up to 10 miles per hour without sacrificing accuracy. This allows farmers to cover more ground quickly, ultimately leading to increased productivity and more consistent crop growth. Now that we've seen how automated planting systems kickstart the growing season with precision, let's tackle an equally important task: keeping those pesky weeds at bay. Enter number 9, robotic weed control. Robotic weed control is transforming the long and laborious process of weed management into a high-tech, efficient operation. Imagine robots roaming through fields, identifying and eliminating weeds with surgical precision. These robots use advanced algorithms and imaging technologies to distinguish between crops and weeds, ensuring that only the unwanted plants are targeted. For instance, the robotics company, Robotics, has developed a solar-powered weeding robot that can operate autonomously for up to 12 hours a day, selectively spraying herbicide only where it's needed. This not only reduces the amount of chemicals used, but also helps maintain soil health by minimizing disturbance. With our robotic friends vanquishing weeds like knights in shining armor, dive into number 8, precision pesticide application, and see what AI will do against pests. In the world of modern farming, spraying pesticides isn't about blanket coverage anymore, it's about precision. Precision pesticide application employs smart technology to pinpoint where pests are lurking and delivers treatment right where it's needed. This targeted approach not only significantly reduces the amount of pesticides used, but also minimizes environmental impact. For example, the smart spraying system from Bosch and Bayer uses sophisticated sensors and software to detect weeds in real time and apply herbicide only to those specific plants. The result? Healthier crops, cleaner fields, and a happier planet. Before you know it, the fields are clear, and we're ready to level up in our high-tech farming adventure. Next, buckle up as we head into number 7, autonomous tractors. Autonomous tractors are revolutionizing agriculture with their efficiency, precision, and resilience. Imagine a fleet of self-driving tractors operating 24/7, tilling, planting, and harvesting without human intervention. These marvels use GPS, machine learning, and IoT to navigate fields accurately. For example, John Deere's 8R series tractors feature AutoTrack, a hands-free system that keeps rows perfectly straight, optimizing land use and reducing fuel consumption. Not only are these autonomous giants incredibly efficient, but they also free up farmers to focus on other vital aspects of farm management, propelling agriculture into a new era of productivity and innovation. Just when you thought it couldn't get any smarter, it's time to dive into number 6, smart irrigation systems. In the realm of high-tech farming, smart irrigation systems are quenching the thirst for innovation. These intelligent systems use sensors and real-time data to monitor soil moisture, weather forecasts, and crop requirements, ensuring that every drop of water counts. For example, the Netafim's precision irrigation system can analyze soil conditions and plant data to deliver the exact amount of water needed, preventing both under and over irrigation. This not only conserves water, but also boosts crop yields by maintaining optimal growth conditions. Imagine a network of connected irrigation systems that respond instantly to changing environmental conditions, turning on the sprinklers just as the sun peaks or shutting them down just before a rainstorm hits. It's like having a weather-wise farmhand on duty 24/7. And now let's soar to new heights with number 5, drone monitoring and spraying. These aerial wonders are revolutionizing agriculture from above. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, agricultural drones can monitor crop health, identify pest infestations, and even assess field conditions with pinpoint accuracy. Take the DJI Agres series, for instance. These drones can be programmed to fly specific routes, capturing data and spraying pesticides precisely where needed. By reducing the amount of chemicals used and ensuring they are only applied where necessary, drones help promote sustainable farming practices. Picture a fleet of drones buzzing over a field like an army of guardian angels, ensuring every plant is given the care and attention it needs to thrive. Just when you thought technology couldn't get any cooler, we now dig into the soil of another extraordinary innovation. Buckle up and prepare to harvest some knowledge with number 4, intelligent harvesting machines. Gone are the days of labor-intensive and time-consuming harvesting. Intelligent harvesting machines are transforming the agricultural landscape by using advanced sensors and AI to determine the perfect harvest time. For example, the Rubion robotic harvester is a marvel of modern engineering. It can delicately pick fruits and vegetables with precision, ensuring that only the ripe ones are collected without bruising them. In addition, these machines can work around the clock, unaffected by fatigue or weather conditions, boosting overall productivity and efficiency. Imagine fields being harvested with the meticulous care of skilled human hands, but at the speed and consistency of a well-oiled machine. It's like having a tireless team of experts bringing in the bounty day and night. Before you can say green thumb, let's dig into another groundbreaking innovation that's making waves beneath the surface. No, we're not talking about moles or earthworms, we're diving into the world of number 3, soil health monitoring robots. These ingenious robots are the unsung heroes of the agricultural world, tirelessly patrolling fields to ensure optimal soil health. Equipped with an array of sensors, they can analyze soil composition, moisture levels, and nutrient content in real time. One stellar example is the Terabot, which seamlessly integrates with farm management systems to provide actionable insights. Imagine Terabot cruising through the fields like a seasoned detective, sniffing out the tiniest inconsistencies in soil health. This invaluable data allows farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and crop rotation, ultimately leading to healthier crops and increased yields. While our soil health robots are busy playing Sherlock Holmes in the fields, there's another set of mechanical marvels revolutionizing a different facet of farming. Let's mosey on over to the barn and meet number 2, livestock management bots. These astute automatons are the cowboys of the 21st century, adept at handling everything from health monitoring to feeding schedules in a herd. Take, for instance, the impressive MooBot, equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. MooBot gauges vital health metrics like temperature and activity levels, ensuring each animal receives personalized care. It can also dispense the correct amounts of feed, reducing waste and optimizing nutrition. With MooBot on duty, farmers can rest easy knowing their livestock are in capable robotic hands. And drumroll please. At number 1, we've got the mind-blowing crop disease detection drones. These aerial aces are the vigilant sentinels soaring above our fields, identifying potential threats to crop health with uncanny accuracy. Equipped with hyperspectral cameras and advanced imaging technology, these drones can spot early signs of disease invisible to the naked eye. One standout model, the Agro-Eagle, scans vast expanses of farmland in a single flight, capturing high-resolution images and data. Imagine Agro-Eagle swooping down like a superhero, pinpointing hotspots of infection and relaying actionable insights to the farmer's tablet. This rapid intervention helps to contain outbreaks before they spread, safeguarding the harvest and ensuring a bountiful yield. These breakthroughs are just the beginning. What's next for agriculture? If you enjoyed this insight, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.